So here, once upload any videos on a YouTube channel, the most important is called your YouTube views and subscribers. Any YouTube channel views and subscriber total dependent by your total video backlinks. The video backlink will given by your video manager. How much you can share by your social media and backlinks. This totally be given option call is will be share option. That is called generating for YouTube backlinks. The backlink information given by the your view activity for analytics. Suppose you will getting for 9 views. In this 9 views, how many share will done by my particular video? Select it. You can check everything will be in this video option only. In this select this video, the views will be decreased. The main drawback is called your get backlinks. Get backlinks. So this is called 0 minute, 0 views, 0 earnings. Everything will be shares will be 0. When shares will be 0, earnings also will be 0. That is purpose. First of all, select video. Select your video. In this select your video, we can generate your backlink will be 2 types. One is called automated backlinks. Second will be manual backlinks. In this, first of all, any video, first of all, generating for manual backlinks. That is called video below option. One is called social media. Second will be 3 website, Mix and Tumblr and Reddit. So in this one, just here, loading in your page. Below that first step is called Reddit in your any YouTube channel is a strong backlink. It's generating for strong backlink. First here generating for backlink here. The screen will be recorded. In this first copy title. This click for share. In the share option, here we'll be using the share option will be here. In this first of all, you can looking for social media. Next we'll be using for Reddit option is first option. In the click for Reddit. That is called yours getting for strong backlink for using Reddit. So in this one, click for Reddit option. In this, select your community. And select it. Click for post. Your title is very much strong for your generating for backlinks. So now done for Reddit. Next one, you can click option call is mix. Based on a video, you can create your board on your mix toolbar. Ready by your mix toolbar. In this one, my video is collecting from starting here. Now select your name, create. This is my YouTube title board I'm creating here. Once create your board, now you can click for start your done option. So once creating your board will be done, click for done option. So that is called you can create by the backlink for your video below option. Next one in this option call is Tumblr. Sometimes Tumblr toolbar is not working. We can submit by manual also will be accept. Sometimes not working here. This will be facing problem time. Simply just close. When typing time is Tumblr will be facing an embed issues. Just you can close your video. Just copy this video URL. There you can go to for Tumblr website. Click for video. Add video. Paste it. It automatically show your video also. When share button time, Tumblr is not working properly. You can use option call is in as a direct Tumblr option. Just in this post here. Now after that, enable your code. Click for post option. So I'm adding here. Next, Copy this one, paste here, enter, click for post. There is a mandatory field on your this option. When you click this one, they're going to wait on particular video backlink. This is called submit by everything manual. The website will be famous one. First one is called Get Pocket. One is called YouTube below option will be there. Tumblr, Reddit and Mix is a three important. Along with the social network that is called Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Google Plus. So post it here. Click for save. When submitting on social network with hashtags are important. With hashtags are important. Now click here. Just log in. Anything posting after posting this one, click for refresh. The refresh is mandated from each and every website. See this one. Title is there. That is the video will be here. So each and every website, just click for add link. Is given on your URL. Submit here. Click for add. How many websites submit by your YouTube link? That all will belongs to for your YouTube backlinks. So see here. The totally backlink will be generating for two title and description. Title and description. So same any website, just click for add a link. First of all, any website or any YouTube, once generate any new links, first of all you can generate it for manual backlinks. There's a mandatory field. Any video. Select here and paste. These all will be manual backlinks. We're not showing fetch your information. Copy. Paste. Select here. Click for fetch. After that, copy. First, we can go submit by the NIM tool. Why? Because NIM tool accept by total YouTube link. The showing will be here. Will be showing for error. Once rectify this one, the show will come into successful. The showing for error here. Wait for a second. So once I resubmit for your, the showing for status will be success. This all will be generating for backlink on your particular video. Sometimes the tool will be waiting for your issues. They calling for errors. Means in one character will be exceed. The your any video will be only for 11 characters. So this one here, copy. Same you can using for mass pings. Here only submit by your ID only. What is on your ID? ID will be how many characters? Only for 11 characters. 11 character nothing but special character also will be considered by your characters. Always remember any video for your ID for video, special character also will be your character. So post it. Click this one. Select my title. Keyword. So I'm generating for only for 100 backlinks. Why? Because mass being provided only for 100 backlinks only. Select here. This link all will be available by my blog. That is called Architect Solution blog will be there. Total YouTube backlinks will be there in the sites. Flowcode, Reddit, Tumblr, Getpocket, Instapaper, Ding, Digo. We're using for Scoop.it and a number of websites. They're using for manual backlink purpose. Automatic, masking, SAS tool and NIM tool for the automatic backlink purpose. Just here, add your link. That is called ID. Click for generate. So any video will generate it for this kind of backlinks that increase by your views, the based on the share. That will give by your analytics option. How much your share will be done? You can count will be in this share button. Most powerful also will be there. That is called social media using for hashtags. Social media using for hashtag. I'll show one small example how we'll be sharing for social media. Just copy and share. That option call is Google Plus. Using hashtag. Click for post. These all kind of things will be shared by your YouTube backlinks purpose. One is called automatic, second will be manual backlink. That will be social media backlinks that increase your views and minutes. The based on the revenue also will be increased on your YouTube channel.